It's me, Jeremy, you know, from Underrated TM. This is the holiday raffle, ready to pick up the names. We've been waiting for a while. We had a good turnout. A lot of people. So I'm about to give out with some t-shirts, you know. Holiday season, so we're gonna start off picking names, you know. We're gonna start with the third prize. And the third prize is for just a regular underrated t-shirt. So easy. But you also can get it in any color. Any color t-shirt, black letters. So this is for the third prize. Ready? And the first name is Lisette Cordero. Lisette Cordero, you just won an underrated t-shirt. Not much, but it's something. You get it. So, there you go. That's the first grand prize. Underrated t-shirt. About to go on to the second. The second prize is the choice between a Music Is My Life t-shirt or a YOLO t-shirt, which is a new YOLO, you only live once. It's not this shirt right here, it's a new one. You saw the pictures up there on the site, you saw the prizes. So it's a choice between that music one and the YOLO t-shirt. So here we go. The second person is Ruby Rodriguez, aka DJ Magic. You already know, show his name real quick. Come close. Ruby Rodriguez, aka DJ Magic. You had a choice between Music Is My Life, which I know is your life if you represent DJ Crazy, or you can get the new YOLO t-shirt, you know? So, here we go. Now, we're going on to the Kiss Me t-shirt plus. So, here we go. Still got a lot of names in here. Who's gonna be that special one, you know? That was the weakest drum roll ever. Oh! G-Money Sabater. Yo, that's Greg Sabater, you know. He just won a grand prize. He gets the Kiss Me t-shirt plus an underrated t-shirt. You know, he's already shown love. He's already got 2 sweaters, so here you go. You got 2 gifts for Christmas right now. 2 free gifts for Christmas. And you know, so those are the 3 people who won the grand prizes. I know those who have not won and didn't get the name chosen. Pretty similar. But you know what? It's the giving season, so I'm gonna be pretty nice. So the rest who have entered into the raffle will not be sad, because up till December 31st, you get 30% off a t-shirt and a sweater, crew neck or hoodie. Any t-shirt you want, any crew neck or hoodie, you get 30% off until December 31st. Also, you get a free underrated sticker, which will be coming in January, but since you want to be in the raffle and you know I'm being giving, I'm going to release them early just for you specifically. So, there you go. That was the underrated holiday raffle. Thank you for volunteering. Thank you for liking the pictures and entering the raffles. There's going to be more coming soon. There's going to be some new releases this January. Some screen printing plus some hats, fitteds, and beanies. Because you know some people call out there and want to stay warm. So, this is Jeremy, J News Dope. I'm out.
And that's the